2025 Sunday. Okay. Topic for today is algebra, age problem. Okay, let's get right to it. Anything is 3 times old as Eugene. 6 years ago, the sum of their ages is 80. How old is Eugene? So, sa ganitong situation, always, pag age problem, i-bracket nyo lang agad ang tatlong timeline. Tatlong timeline lang naman yan. So, past, present, and the future. Okay? Future. Tatabulate nyo para pag nagagawa kayo ng equation is madali lang makuha. Sa algebra, normal magagawa kayo ng equation based sa problem. Okay. So, let's say this is anything. This is Eugene. Okay. And then, so, anything is 3 times old as Eugene. Okay. So, itong phrase na ito, this is present, di ba? So, present, 3 times old as Eugene. So, 3 times older as Eugene. Okay? So, Eugene will be X kasi dalawa lang naman sila kino-compare. So, 6 years ago, the sum of their ages is 80. So, the sum of their ages is 80. 6 years ago. So, ito naman 6 years ago, ito sa past. No? So, anything, again, 3 times old man ulit siya. Pero, 6 years ago minus 6. Okay? So Eugene is X 6 years ago minus 6. The sum of their ages is 80. How old is Eugene? So, linear equation lang naman siya. So, we can solve. Kasi, we can create a formula kasi may equals sila which is 80. So, we will use this equation. So, X minus 6, Eugene. Ito yung ito yung age ni Eugene. 6 years ago, add natin yung age nitong 6 years ago, 3x minus 6. I-add lang natin. Similar terms is equals to 80. Okay? Equation siya. Linear equation siya. Okay? So, x plus 3x is 4x. Negative 6 plus negative 6 is negative 12. Okay, simple lang is equals to 80. Okay. So, add both sides by positive 12. Okay, positive 12. Positive 12. To eliminate. Okay. So, magiging siyang 4x. Okay, cancel na ito kasi inada natin ng plus 12, positive 12. Is equals to 80 plus 12, 92. So, divide both sides by 4. 4. So, x will be 94 divided by 2. This will be 4 pala. Sorry. 4. 2, 8, carry 1, 14. Okay. 14. Sorry, 92 ito. 92, so 12. Okay, x is 93. Okay, sorry. Okay. Eugene, 23. Sorry. 92 divide 4 pala, hindi 94 divide 2. Okay. So, easy lang. Diba? 93. Next problem. Okay. Melvin is 12 years older than Art. Okay. 5 years ago, the sum of their ages was 28. How old will Art be after 10 years? Okay. Okay. So, now we try a different scheme. Okay. Dito na, another table. Gawin natin ng bagong table. Baka hindi nyo intindihan yung unang table. So, gawin natin dito na lang sa tabi. Present. Present. Okay. Baka map. Okay. Past. Past. And future. Dalawang klaseng ano naman tayo. Solution or paggagawa ng solution. Okay. Okay. So this is Melvin. And this is Art. Okay. Okay. So, ang age now, dalawa. Okay. So Melvin, let's say X. Si Art, let's say Y. Dito na yung equation. Direkta na tayo dito. Okay. Equation. So, past. Siyempre, X minus 5. Okay. Y minus 5. Future is X plus 10. Okay, nagtatanong kayo kung bakit wala dyan ng 12 years old, 12x minus 5. Dito na lang tayo, didirekta na lang natin dito sa equation. Okay. Y plus 10. Okay, sa equation, yung present daw is si Melvin equal siya sa KR plus 12. 12 years older, no? 12 years older. So, 5 years ago naman, the sum of their ages was 28. Okay. So, 5 years ago, si Melvin, x minus 5 plus ito. Parenthesis natin. Y plus 5 is equal to 28. Okay. 28. So, sa future, wala naman sinabi. Ito na ang hinahanap, yung future. Yung, ito. So, gawin na natin. So, yung present is x. Ito na. Lipat lang natin dito. X is equals to y plus 12. Okay, so yung past is ito. X minus 5 plus y minus 5 equals to 28. Okay, so maigi siyang x. Okay, baba na natin. X minus 5, ito. Ito ang pinaka-equation natin, no? Kaso, two unknowns, no? So, we need two equations. Pero, as you can see, ang x is, x is equals to y plus 12. We can solve it, or we can substitute it in terms of y. So, may siyang substitute mo lang dito. So, ang x, lagi siyang y plus 12, 12 minus 5, minus 5, minus, sorry, plus yung y, minus 5 equals to 28. Okay? 8. Okay. So, similar terms na. Isa na lang ang unknown. So, okay na itong isang equation na to. So, combine similar terms. Y. So, 2y plus itong 12. 12 minus 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay? 2 is equals to 28. Okay. 28. 28. So, para ma-eliminate, divide ng 2. Over 2. Okay, over 2. So, bigyan lang siyang y is equals to 28 over 2. Minus 2 pala. Minus 2. Minus 2. Para ma-eliminate natin ito. Minus 2. So, 2y is equals to 26. Not divide ha. Minus 2. Cancel ito. Itong walang variable. Minus 2. Okay, 26. So, y. Ito ang divide. Both sides by 2. Okay. So, y will be 26 divided by 2 is 13. So, 13 times 2 is 26. Y. Okay, ang tanong, ito na ba yung answer? No? Ito na ba yung answer? No. Ito itong mga problem na ito, nasa civil service na mga past na nakikita ko lang sa internet. So, ang tanong kasi dito, how old will Art be after 10 years? So, ang age ni Art sa present, ito. Pero ang tinatanong after 10 years. So, ito yun. Y plus 10. So, 13 plus 10. No? Y. So, ang answer is 23. Which is, wala sa choices. Wala sa choices. No? Dapat nito, 23. Yeah, 23. Minsan na mamali lang din sila paggagawa ng questionnaire. Tao lang naman din sila. No? So, pag ganitong situation, binubonus na nila yan. Okay? So, thank you for watching. See you in part 2, Clock Problems. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone. Thank you.